YouTube changed the live stream system. Okay, we need to know about later what the new feature system. But I just ordered the PCB from JLC PCB. I sent it the Gerber file to JLC PCB and I received in 15 days. The JLC PCB provide our PCB finally in 5 to 6 days, and after that this is the issue in our country. Courier service is not this courier center I was does a mistake in address, and another side we have no DHL service in our nearest area. So first, this is my elder brother design. I just sent the Gerber file from my account and I received this, and now this is my wish to open this JLC PCB. This is my first time experience, so let's open. Okay, first I need to remove this plastic carefully with the scissor. It's okay. And this is the JLC PCB packing. Okay, first we need to know about the packing. Okay, the packing here damage, but we don't know about the DHL company damage this this box, or another courier service damage this. Okay, it does not matter. This is the PCB. We have a strong fiber materials also in PCB. Okay. Cut. Okay. Not proper and easy removing box. Okay, I turn off the light because a reflection. Another. Okay, this is my first time experience. Cut this. Okay, now okay, I need to cut this. Already cut. Okay, we have another contact here. And after that, we have another contact here. It's okay. Turn on the light. It's okay. Good. Wow. Beautiful. Okay, first I need to remove it. Reflection again. Oh. Okay, I need to turn on this, and a little I need to move my smartphone from this reflection. I think this is done. We have reflection from this plastic, I think. Okay. It's a good method to remove the PCB. No, we cannot remove from this bubble side. So we need to cut this with nail. Okay, carefully. First I need to keep some resistive paper like that, and after that I need to cut. But with my opinion and my knowledge, this is not the good packing, because we cannot remove easily. I am facing difficulties with this packing, and I am requesting to JLC PCB, please pack easily. And okay, keeping the numbers in privacy. My elder brother designed a solar inverter. What is this? This is just a solar inverter, and this device can provide electricity, AC electricity, alternative current from direct current, like solar panels, good PCB, all something in the deep areas, and some SMDs, and I am also objecting on companies, but this is my elder brother. I need to get advice. Please do not install the SMD components in deep area. Okay, now first we need to know about the top and bottom side. This is the bottom side. I need to keep another PCBs here to discuss the designing. This PCB was designed by elder brother, and they cannot send the Gerber file to JLC PCB and cannot receive. And I know about this is the top side. So if you have the top side here, so this is the one mistake of my elder brother. He don't share the file with me to check with the 3D, to check the DIP and SMD packages, because he was elder. He is elder from me, and they install here a DIP component here, DIP capacitor, DIP switch jack, and then install SMD component. So first I need to get advice, and after that I'm not responsible to make changes in the file, because this is not my own device. I just order for my elder brother, but I need to give advice. This is not in the engineering. You install DIP packages, DIP components, and SMD components on same side. But it's very hard to install SMD. They just install here some a shunt resistor on this bottom side. No any more component they install on this bottom side. They install all the components. They design all the components on top side, and this is not good engineering. Okay, now I need to about cut the JLC PCB contact about this cut 2 times an email. Please set this thing, because my elder brother was not to make a cut here. So this is I am thankful, JLC PCB, of you. You remind a mistake, and finally we said, I just message to JLC PCB, cut this, and finally he cut and sent the file again. It's okay, now we need to cut this. It's okay, easily. It's okay, we can cut easily, and after that we need to cut this with cutter, with this sharp cutters. Okay, sometime I am receiving this sharp things in solar hybrid inverters, so I need to cut, and I need to get advice to my elder brother, cut this and sand this with the fire like this. This is the required bar immunity, because people can damage the hands and gloves with this sharp things. Okay, this is the immunity. To think about good bar immunity also. Okay, and they use this PCB. Okay, I need to get advice to my elder brother. If he can, it's okay, and if he cannot, so I need to provide help in designing the PCB with 100% true rules like this PCB. And this PCB, I not found a single one assembly component on this top side. No any single component and assembly package I not found. Okay, no any component. They install assembly components completely on bottom side, and this is the code engineering. First I need to, it's okay, no any dip component on this side. This is the SMD HCPL 3150. Okay, and no any dip package component we have on this bottom side. This is the SMD PC817, and no any SMD component on this side. This is the good thing. Why? What the matter? If you are removing the components from this top side, and if you have a SMD component, I am giving another example. Some companies install their SMD components like here, and here we have capacitors, and we have a limited temperature of capacitor. This is the 105 degrees centigrade capacitor, and when you are providing here hot air, because you cannot remove the SMD component with soldering iron in this deep area. You can remove the SMD components from bottom side with the soldering iron, but you cannot remove the SMD component from top side with the soldering iron. And when you are providing a hot air here, so you are damaging the capacitors. Okay, so this is the good thinking about the electronics, and this person's I'm accepting the engineering of this persons who designed this PCB with 100% rules they follow. for assembly components and dip packages components. So this was the story. And when my brother assembled this PCB, so I need to share with you the waveform of this device, because this device can convert DC voltages to AC voltages, and you can provide from 350 volts as nominal voltages, and the maximal voltages as 500 voltages, and you can receive the 230 volts and 50 hertz. But when he assembled this board, I need to share the duty cycles and hertz, and hertz mean a frequency. We need to have a 50 hertz frequency, and we need to have a pure sine wave. Okay, the waveform, we need to have a pure sine. Okay, and we need to know about the duty cycle. Okay, what about the JLC PCB? It's very cool design. Wow, beautiful. Solder masks and everything is beautiful and good about JLC PCB. It's okay. Done. Take care. See you next time. Okay. With the repairing. See you next time with repairing. What type of next repairing? The next repairing about the Seplos BMS. Okay, this is the lithium ion battery top core. Okay, and I remove from battery. We have a fault when we turn on the power button, and they can provide just for 1 second output voltages, and after 1 second they cut the voltages from these connectors, and we need to know about why we have this issue. And after that I have another safe loss BMS. Okay, and the wait is over. Finally I received the ICs. The IC name, this is the good thing you need to mention here, TP8485E, and I need to install here. I create or I write arrow to install here, because here we have another empty IC area, so I write on the time the arrow to install here. Okay, not there, install here. And finally I turn on this BMS, and now I need to install some ICs. Here we have TP8485E. Okay, this is the next topics, and I need to change my channel name. What the channel name? Please give your review and feedback about this channel name. The organic topics I need to keep, and I need to talk about everything in electronics or electrical devices, or on electricity, on electrical devices, reliable devices, and in which environment, what type of emergency light you need to have, and what things you need to have for survivals. Okay, because I'm living in mountains in the night time, like 11 p.m. Okay, so I need to know about the environment, the weathers, the electricity from 50 hertz to 65 kilohertz frequency, and I have some knowledge about this board designing. The people are searching uh, in YouTube how to repair this brand inverter, and how to repair this brand inverter, and how to repair this brand inverter. I have a complete knowledge about the brands, and you don't need to search the brand name. You need to know just about the topologies. Okay, we have just a difference between in the solar hybrid inverter just and the solar charge controller. Okay, so I need to get some examples of boards and some types of boards, because here we have a push-pull topology, and here we have two transformer, and this is the 5 kilowatt inverter, and another side we have a full bridge topology inverter board. Oh, sorry, man. This is the full bridge topology. Okay, we need to discuss about this. Walaikum salam. Walaikum salam.